Take a moment to reflect on the miracles of your existence. To stand where you are today, it requires 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great grandparents, 16 second great grandparents, 32 third great grandparents, 64 fourth great grandparents, 128 fifth great grandparents, 256 sixth great grandparents, 512 seventh great grandparents, 1024 eighth great grandparents, 2048 ninth great grandparents, and so on, culminating in 4094 ancestors over the last 12 generations. That's nearly 400 years of struggles, victories, heartbreaks, and love stories that led to you. Pause and ask yourself, how many battles were fought for survival? How many tears were shed and dreams persuaded despite the odds? How many hearts broke and healed, carrying hope for the future? Each ancestor carried their own story, a tapestry of strengths, flaws, dreams, and lessons. These threads are woven into the very fabric of who you are today. But here's the question: what legacy do you carry forward? Many of us unknowingly bear not just their gifts, but also their unresolved wounds, patterns of fear, pain, or scarcity passed down through generations. These unhealed energies can manifest as obstacles in our lives today, impacting relationships, health, emotional well-being, and so on. Ancestral healing is more than just honoring the past. It is about liberating yourself and your lineage. By connecting with your ancestral roots, you can release the weight of past traumas. You can amplify the strength and resilience through handed down. You can amplify the strengths and resilience they have handed down. You can heal wounds and transform them into wisdom for future generations. Every time you break a cycle of negativity, embrace forgiveness, or choose love over fear, you rewrite not only your story, but also the stories of those who came before you. You are the bridge between the past and the future. Your ancestors dreamed of a brighter tomorrow. You embodied that dream. Now it is your responsibility to honor their sacrifices by healing, growing, and thriving. This healing is not just personal, it ripples through time and space. When you heal, you set your ancestors free. When you rise, you empower future generations. When you embrace their gifts, you carry their legacy forward. Your existence is no coincidence. You are the culmination of thousands of choices made with hope for the future. Honor their journey, heal their wounds, and celebrate their resilience. And most importantly, connect with their love, wisdom, and strength as you move forward. You are your ancestors' wildest dream. Live like it. Heal for them. Thrive for them. And most importantly, pass forward the love and light they left behind. You are the answer to your ancestors' prayers. Heal and honor their journey. 4094 reasons to heal, thrive, and rewrite the story. Ancestral healing is liberating the past and empowering the future.